Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This project is voltage monitor. I will adjust the voltage with this pot and will test with the batteries or any other power source. If the voltage gonna be less than adjusted voltage, the LED will not turn on. We can use this project as battery tester or any other projects that we use battery, and the battery should be monitored. For example, I'm setting up the this circuit with the fresh battery. I will adjust the project with the threshold and on LED. The LED situation is on and the pot adjusted for the fresh battery. I'm going to test the batteries one by one very fast. If the LED is gonna be off, it means that the battery is less than the fresh battery voltage. Yeah, it is okay battery. This is also okay battery. This is not okay, not okay, okay battery. View. This is not good. Good. Not good, this one. This is good. This is very useful project because of we need for most of projects the voltage monitoring circuit. We need only 2 PNP transistor. I will show the schematics in seconds. Let's test the project with the breadboard. I connect 1 meter to the project to talk more about this project. I will connect the fresh battery to this clip. This one I will adjust the pot in the threshold situation. Very good. It's on. This battery is fresh one, and as you check, the voltage is something like 958. Very good. I'm going to test with the batteries. No, it is not turning on because of the voltage is 724. And this is on because of it is 9.65. I'm going to test with this one. Yeah, this clips. It's easy to test. I will test with the Duracell one. Yeah, it is 9.30. It's good battery. I will test with the Maxell one. It's also fresh battery. Yeah, it is on. I will test with this one, and this is the Chinese one. No name Chinese. Oh, this is not working. The voltage is 5.5 something. And the last test is this one. Yeah, this is also finished, 5.30. Very good. This is voltage monitor, and here is my schematic. If you are going to make the project, I will say if you are going to take a screenshot and make this beautiful project. Very good. So if the voltage gonna be less than adjusted voltage, the LED going off. Thank you very much for watching. The next project is reverse project. The LED is going on when the battery is going more than adjusted voltage. Thank you and bye bye.